Good morning students. Today I am going to start a new chapter that is lesson number 2 about understanding windows. Okay, today we will learn about windows. We will learn what is a window and we will learn interface which are used in windows and features of windows. Now what is a window? This window, don't get confused with the window which is at your home. This window in computer, what is a window in computer? Window in computer is a operating system. Okay, Windows is a operating system of a computer. What is this operating system? Operating system is a system software. I have told two types of software, system software and application software. So this operating system is a system software. Okay, and this Windows is a operating system. Windows is an example of operating system. What is the operating system? Operating system is a software that control whole work of your computer. Means all the work which is done in your computer is controlled by the operating system, that is Windows. Okay, I am giving you one example. Like in your home, who does all your household activities? It is your parents. Your parents do all the activities of your home. Okay, like washing clothes, cooking food, bringing vegetables, everything at your home is done by your parents. Okay, so who control all activities of your home? It is your parents. Okay, all the work which is done in your home is seen by your parents, is managed by your parents. Like that, in computer all the work is managed by the operating system, that is a window. An example of operating system is a Windows. So you will say that Windows is an operating system, and there are so many versions of Windows like Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. So many versions of Windows are there, but most popular is Windows 7. Okay, nowadays Windows 7 is used in most of the places. So most popular window is Windows 7. So in this chapter we will learn about Windows 7. So what is a window? Window is nothing, simply an operating system. It is an operating system that controls the work of the computer. Okay. So before studying about Windows, we need to learn what is user interface. Okay. First we will learn what is user interface. Now what is this user interface? Suppose this is a person. Okay, it is a man who wants to use the computer. Okay, who wants to work on the computer. So this man can use the computer, can interact with the computer only because of interface. Okay, this user interact with the computer because of the interface. So this interface is that part which helps the user to interact with the computer. Okay, this interface helps the user to interact with the computer. And there are two types of interface which are given. Now, there are two types of interface. CLI, that is known as command line interface, and GUI, that is known as graphical user interface. So two types of interface are given in your computer. So what is interface? Interface is a part through which user interact with the computer. Now what is user? Who is the user? User are the person who work on the computer, like we. When we are using computer, we are user. Okay, when anyone is using the computer, that is a user. So when we user interact with the computer because of the interface only. So you can say that this Windows is a kind of interface only, okay, through which user interact with the computer. Now two types of interface are given in your book. One is CLI, command line interface, and one is GUI, graphical user interface. Now what is this command line interface? In command line interface, whenever we are using the computer, we give commands, okay. We have to write, for every work we have to write and give commands to the computer. There are no buttons, no options, no applications, nothing, okay. Like when we are using mobile phone, what you do, we see the option, we click on that. But in command line interface, options are not given. What we have to do, we have to write command for each and every work. Like today, if you have to click photo in the mobile phone, what we do, we open camera, we click on the button and the photo is clicked and we get our photo. But in command line interface, this is not done. What we have to do, if you have to click the photo, you don't simply click the button. You have to write a command for that, then only a photo will be clicked. Some commands are given that you have to learn. So this command line interface means in this, for every work we have to write commands. Okay, we have to write the command. And what is graphical user interface? This graphical user interface is the interface which we are using nowadays. In this you don't have to write commands, only graphics is there. Graphics means pictures, options, buttons, everything is there on the screen. We only click on that and our work is done. Like the computers which we are using nowadays. What we do? If we have to open anything, what we do? We click on the button, start button, then go to programs, then this and this. Simply we click and we get. Everything is present in the form of options, okay, in the form of colors, graphics and everything on the screen. But this was not there in command line interface. So this is the difference between command line interface and graphical user interface. This command line interface, you can see the example, like in olden days, that mobile phone which were used, a small mobile phone, keypad, okay, in that no color, nothing is coming. What is coming? Only white and black screen, okay, no pictures, no buttons, nothing, only screen is there. Okay, so you can say that command line interface is like that only. And GUI, graphical, like we see nowadays, everything is very colorful, attractive way in the form of buttons, options. So that is graphical user interface. So today we have learned what is a window, and we have learned about two types of interface, that is CLI, command line interface, and GUI, graphical user interface. Okay, so next part we will continue on next term. Okay, I will tell about Windows and its features. Thank you, class.